Welcome back everyone to another new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create a subscribe link for your subscription link for your YouTube channel. I mean the link, if anyone click on that link, expected link, it will directly show a subscription prompt. To do this, first of all you have to go to your channel studio, creator studio. From here you just have to choose the customization section, and from here you have to copy your channel URL by just clicking on this, and you right now see link copy to the clipboard. When we copy the link of our YouTube channel, we just have to paste this link to a new tab on Google or any other browser. After doing that, we just have to write down here !sub/ confirmation equal 1, and this link will be work as our subscription link. Now we have to short the link. To short this link, we just have to copy the link again, and after doing that we just have to write down link shortener on Google. From here you'll find many websites to short your link, your long link. I suggest you urlshortener.com, .at. And right now you have to paste the copied link here, and after paste it you have to click shorten URL. Now you got a short URL, subscription URL exactly. Right now copy that URL, and if you want to test the URL, paste it and press enter. Now it will directly go to my YouTube channel and show a subscription prompt. Now you can see here, confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to the icon? Everything done. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.